In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use multiple datasets in one Tableau workbook and how you can publish your Tableau workbook to Tableau Public. I have already provided some information in the Tableau project instruction here, say how to publish and save your workbook to Tableau Public. So I also provide a link here so you can click and follow the steps here. But still, I think video will be easier for you to follow and can give you more detailed information. Okay, as you can see here, I have used our loss one datasets and create multiple charts here, right? But what if I want to use a new dataset to create my other chart? Actually, this is very easy. What we need to do just to click the data menu, select new data source, or simply click this icon, new data source, and then depends on your data format and pick from this selection, these options. If your data is in Excel file, select this one. If your data is in text file or CSV file, click this one. And in this demo, I'm going to use this some CSV file I prepared. So if I want to build some chart using the Apple popularity file, so click this one. So I'm going to import into the database. As you can see here, now the data source has the Apple popularity we get from the Google Trend. You can preview the data sets through the window here, right? So after this, when you click the new worksheet here, you will see there's two options. So one is the data sets we just added. Another one is data sets we used before. So by default, because we just added this data source, the data source will be automatically selected for us. So right now I can build some information here. Say if I want to build a map, say I want to do something like this, very simple map information, okay. Then drag this to the details, and then we have the Apple popularity, go to labels. So basically have this like a map information. Of course, you can switch back to this field map. Of course, the main point in this video is not talk about how to create the map chart. I just say we have a new chart created by using the new datasets we added. So you can see here, they have two options. So when we click new workbook, new worksheet, so you have two options. You can continue to use the Apple popularity data source we just added, or you can switch back to the employee or loss one data sets we used before, right? So you can switch back and forth. So if you want to add another one, for sure, you can do that. Once again, you add this button or go to this button to add another data source you want. Say I want to use the Apple stock price data. So you will go to this data source tab again and preview the data sets you just imported. Make sure it makes sense. Then you go to this worksheet just opened, and you can see there are three data sets listed, and the latest one we just added will be picked up automatically. Then let's use this data sets to create a very simple chart for demonstration purpose. So we drag the date to the column shelf and drag the close date, close price to the row shelf, and change this chart to daily chart. So we have this daily chart ready. Then give it a new name. So we have this one ready using the data source we just added. Then if we click the new worksheet again, so you have the option to select any of this data source you want to use. And all the three data sets you added so far will be listed here, okay? Let's say we want to create another chart based on the lost one data set. So you can select this one. You can pick whatever information you want to create that chart. Say this one, very simple, right? So give the name again. Now let's assume that you complete all the charts and want to publish your workbook to the Tableau Public. So then you are going to click the server here, and then you are going to click the publish workbook, or you can sign in first. But if you click the publish your workbook, you are going to require to sign in if you have not done so. So here, of course, you are going to provide the link of your profile, Tableau public profile. So this is my Tableau public profile like this. So if I say connect, it will ask you to log in, so sign in, right? So if I type my email address, say, and then my password, of course, then we're going to click the sign in. Then you're going to see this pop-up window. It says an error occurred. Read this description. Basically, it says that the foreign data source does not allow because they are external data connection, and we need to extract the data and make internal data connections. Okay, that's fine because just follow this instruction. Say use the data menu to create and extract for the foreign data source. So we just click OK, then go back to the data source here, right? And you can see there's two options of connections. The live connection is external. Basically, it's a Tableau. We're going to connect to the arranged data source every time when you open this Tableau application. Extract, that means Tableau, we're going to create an internal data copy. So every time they're going to use that internal data copy to create your chart. To make an extract of the data, we simply switch from live to extract. Then we click add if we want to do some customization. Here we keep the default because we want our extract to be a single big table. And that's basically the reason why we spend time and energy to join all the 8 tables together, right? So we click OK. So we're satisfied with the options. Then you click the Save button or switch to any other worksheet. You'll be pop-up a window say where you want to save your extract. So here we just save anywhere in my working folder. So here we just save it. So now we have done with one extraction for our lost one datasets. We need to extract another one. So you can follow the same procedure. Say select this one and switch back to the data source here and do extraction here. But you can also just stay here and right click it and we say and then click extract data and pick the single table because there's only one table here, right? So we keep this one extract, and of course they're going to ask you to where you want to save the data. So we save the same folder here and we do the same thing again, and you can see the icon changed because this has been, say this is extract and this is the original directed connection. So we click this one, extract data and extract it and then save to the same folder here. And after we have done this one, then we can redo the publication process again. So we say click the server again and make sure we have been signed in. If you have not been signed in, you just click the publish workbook. It will ask you to assign again. So we just click the publish workbook. Right now it will ask you to give it a workbook title. So we say just the demo workbook. Okay, then just save it. Then you're going to tell you they're going to prepare in some kind of progress bar. Just wait a second. Then you're going to have this new browser open. Say your workbook has been published. So you can see here we got like this question 9. Basically you can see from this one, right? This one is a chart we just we created in the arranged datasets or lost one datasets. These are charts we could use our new datasets. Just now, as you can see, here is a map chart, and this is should be a name chart. Yeah, that's right. And it's a final chart. We switch back to our original datasets. Then we can make some changes to control the display and the navigation of the charts. See here, if I want to switch to other charts, I have to switch from here. Scroll down to the page and switch from here. So we can edit the details and click this option to show the workbook sheet as tabs. Say once we save it, so you can see right now we can switch the worksheet here just by clicking different tabs here. That will give us the better idea how many tabs we have, and it's easier for the switch among tabs as well. So okay, so in summary, this video will talk about how to use multiple datasets in one Tableau workbook and how to create extract and for each data source and then publish your complete workbook into Tableau Public and then make the chart in a way to display the worksheet as tabs.